Make sure you have relationships with your whole district. You need to be nice to the secretary and to the janitor.
In any type of leadership, you've got to build that network.
Go to state conventions, conferences, those kind of things that you can make those relationships with other people.
I built a relationship with my special programs accountant in developing a supportive relationship from my superintendent. It really does make your job easier when you have to go out and require certain actions from the campuses.
Because they don't always listen to you as that district leader. You need strong people in places where they can come and help you tell that story and support what you're saying as a district leader. Find those special people. Hold on to those relationships. Who knows? You may work for them one day.